I'm at the Columbia City Farmers Market and I'm visiting the Timber City Ginger Beer booth to see what Washington products they're using to make their delicious beverages. How many different flavors do you all do?
We've got strawberry in our cans right now, and then on tap we have raspberry jasmine. In, I'd say from like November to March, you're gonna see a lot of apples and pears. Like a lot.
So what type of Washington grown products do you all feature in your ginger beer?
So the raspberries that are in our ginger beer today are from Hayton Berry Farms, right over there. All the pit fruits that we use, the apples and the pears, we have an incredible relationship with Collins Family Orchard, right on the other side of you. So throughout the year, it's a really amazing opportunity to be able to highlight not just what is grown in Washington, since there's so much bounty here, but also all of the amazing small farmers that work so hard here.
So what are we going to taste here?
So this is our newest seasonal flavor. It's raspberry jasmine.
Lime. Wow, just as it's going down, I feel like I can see a little grocery list of all the different flavors. So, do you enjoy ginger beer?
I do, and my kids really like it.
This is a raspberry ginger beer.
Awesome.
So drink up and let me know what you think about that.
Wow. Well, it's wonderful.
Like more gingery than strawberry, like not too sweet.
I like it. I can taste the berries.
It's just nice. The ginger flavor is mellow and the raspberries are not too tart.
It feels fresh. I mean, it feels very light.
It's really refreshing. This feels really good going down, and it tastes very fresh.
It feels like someone really put some care into this.
And of course, I'm going to want to know what kind of drinks you make with this. I mean, like grown-up drinks. That's fantastic.